Hey guys, it's Drea. So today I have a little project pan intro for you. If you watched my 2018 project pan finale, you know that there were just a couple products that I couldn't finish, and what I want to do before I jump into another huge project pan is a really mini project pan. So the day I'm filming this is December the 29th, although I don't think this is going to get up until the first week of January. And basically I have a few products that I'm going to start using today. I want them to be done finito completely by the end of January. So I'm going to show you those products. Let's just get into it. So not all of these are carryovers. 3 of them are carryovers, and then 3 are just products that I wanted to bring in because they are on their last legs. Okay, first of all is this. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte Loose Mattifying Powder. I actually just literally right now took the stopper out of it because I wanted to see exactly how much product is left. And that's how much we have left. And I love this powder. I use it all the time. But I've been using this since June or July, and it's still not fully used up, and I use it all the time. So even though there's only a little bit, it still could pose a challenge, but I'm pretty sure I can get it used up within a month. So I'm not necessarily going to mark this with a Sharpie because it should be completely done by the time I do an update, and there will only be one finale update. There's not going to be a middle update for this project. This is just like, these products better be done by the time I come back to you. This one could be challenging just because it's a lip product, but it's really close. Okay, this is my Fenty Beauty Gloss Balm in Fenty Glow, and you can see, I know you can see that line there of product. That is more than halfway done. So I would say that's a third of product left in there, and I wish it was kind of a little bit less because it would make it easier, but because I'm not well known for using up lip products, but I still think I can use this up by the end of January because I do keep this in my purse. So out of most lip products, this one gets the most use, which is why it's even to that point to begin with. So I will mark this with a Sharpie once I can find it, and that hopefully will be completely done. But you know what? I would still call it a win if we're like mostly done. Like maybe if there's a little sliver, I'll be okay with that. All right, this is my Decay all-nighter pollution protection. It's basically the same as regular all-nighter, and I need to actually figure out how to mark this because obviously it's not see-through in any way, and it's going to be kind of hard to see down into the bottle. But if I had to guesstimate, I'm pretty sure we're definitely more than halfway done. I think we're about a third full of this bottle, and I think if I use this for the majority of the month of January, it should be gone. I only have one other mattifying setting spray anyway, so I could definitely use this up, and I'm going to be starting work, so I know I'm going to need longevity to my makeup, so that should be good. Now this here, I really wanted to hit pan on one shadow by the end of last year, and I just didn't. So that's just what I want to do. And actually, can you believe it? Can you see this? I smashed this on the floor after my 2018 update, and that brown shadow is like halfway cracked, which sucks. That's not how I want to use up product. But anyway, this shade here, which is basically what I use to set my makeup or my eyeshadow primer with, has the biggest dent in it, and I know I'm gonna hit pan on it soon. So maybe you can see how big of a dent that is. I know it's really tough to tell, but it is a big dent. I'm just waiting. I know it's gonna happen any day where I hit pan on that shade. I still have this thing. This was in my 2017 makeup use up. Did not finish it. Came so close, but I really don't use lip liners a lot, but this is my Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat in Pillow Talk, and this literally is now the size of the cap. So I know that's how much I have. It is literally the size of the cap. I did use this today, so I'm hoping I can finally finish this. This really is on its last legs. I'm sure the product doesn't go all the way down, and even once I start using it and sharpening it, I'm sure that there's only a certain point you can sharpen to, probably only like the bottom of this at the most. I don't even know if I'll be able to do it that far, but we'll see. This needs to get used up because it's getting older. It's almost done anyway, so that needs to get used up. And I have one stretch product. So this was my highlighter for last year, and all I wanted to do, actually brought this in the middle of the year again because I had an original one, didn't end up liking it, and replaced it with this. This is my Lancome Dual Finish Highlighter in Sparkling Peach. This is one of my favorite highlighters ever, and there is a big dip right here. So Look, I can feel it. It's right there. This is still going to be a stretch goal though. I don't know if I can hit pan on it in 1 month. I hope so, because we're getting close. That's what it looks like. We're getting real close. There's a big dip. I just want to see a tiny bit of pan there. So this is going to be my biggest stretch goal. And then also the Fenty gloss, I think, could pose maybe the slightest little issue for me. But I think all the rest of them, cross your fingers, knock on wood for me, they should be totally easy to get through within a month. So I will come back with one update, which will be the finale update at the end of January or first week of February. And that's it for today. So if you're new around here, definitely subscribe. I'd love to see you around in the future. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope that you're speaking kindly to yourself, especially when you look in the mirror. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video.